Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and this guide assumes you're already signed into your account. Make sure you've logged in, or some steps may not work as expected. So, your Flipkart app giving you trouble? Try these options. First of all, restart the application. Like this. If this option didn't help you, try to verify permissions. Let's go to the settings. Apps, Flipkart, permissions. And let's go notifications, SMS, and that's all. Let's go back to Flipkart, and even if this option didn't help you, try to reinstall application. So the next option is to check for service interruptions. If the previous option for reinstalling the application didn't help you, you are going to Google and go to down detector and just look for Flipkart. So the down detector hasn't rights to check the Flipkart server's info. And what can we do? The last two options that you can do is go check to your internet connection, and if it's good, just try to restart your phone, and I hope it will help you. This was Hard Reset, and see ya in the next video.